Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. I'm Anita Gupta and this channel is all about artwork, craftwork, DIYs and everything related to therapy with colors. Today we are going to create something out of magic of love. This beautiful cute couple mural on the moon, and it's all under rupees 50. If you want to create all such beautiful artwork in future, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone right now. So without further ado, let's get started.
Here is a list of materials required for today's article. I have taken the mount board and cut it in the shape of a moon. And I am using a hardboard base. You can use any base of your choice. Then we are going to use mouldit, hardener and resin. Mix it in equal proportions. Like this it comes in two colors. We have to keep mixing till it forms one single color. Now I am applying A+ glue on top of moon. We will be pasting mouldit on top of it. First roll mouldit with the help of a roller pin. Paste it on top of moon. Cut it with the help of a scissor to give it little finishing touch. Mouldit is a very nice medium for making 3D murals. It is very soft and delicate, and when it dries it becomes as hard as a rock. So most of the murals that you will see on my channel will be made out of mouldit. It's my favorite medium to make murals. Now see how I am giving the finishing to the moon. So like this we have to cover the full moon with a layer of mouldit. This is highly therapeutic process, guys. You will just enjoy the touch of the mouldit. It's very soft, but you have to be really quick because mouldit dries within half an hour. So mix little amount of mouldit, don't mix the full packet, and then again once the mouldit is over, then you can mix again. Keep taking talcum powder to give it a finishing look as shown in the video, and do everything very gently. Don't press too hard, otherwise it will break. Now I am applying black acrylic color on top of my hardboard. You can take any base. You can even take the base of a cake, or you can take canvas, or you can take bottle, cups, anything and everything that you can think about. Now I am placing the moon on top of this. Again apply talcum powder and give it a finishing look. Now I am applying white acrylic color. You can give 2 coats of white acrylic colors. Now I am using splattering technique to add some stars in the sky. Let's draw a boy and a girl outline so that we can work on it with clay. This is a little bit tricky, but if you follow step by step, I bet you can do it. Apply a coat of A+ glue before applying the clay so that it fixes it properly. Now I have taken a circle of mouldit and giving it a finishing touch with the help of talcum powder. Talcum powder is very important so that it doesn't stick in our hands, and with talcum powder we can give really good finishing. So now I am taking a little bit body part like a shape of a curve. Then again a round circle for girl's face, then girl's body, now girl's leg, second leg, and as if she's sitting with one leg on top of other leg, that shape. This is collar for boys t-shirt. I have again mixed my mouldit because that mouldit was over, and as I told you, it dries very fast. Now both the hands of boy, now hand of girl, first hand, and this is second hand. Just give it little bit finishing with the help of a talcum powder, and I'm giving a little bit. See how step by step we are making the figure. Now adding the sleeve, making boys full sleeve t-shirt. Keep giving finishing as you stick your clay with the help of talcum powder. See how we have almost completed both the figures step by step. Now I am making the frill of frock. See how zigzag we have to fold. It's little bigger in size, so I'll cut it from top. And now place it. With mouldit we can create anything and everything. You just need to give wings to your creativity. It's like a magical element of craft. Now I am putting the booties of girl. Take your imagination as high as it can. There are no limits. You can come up with your own figures also. I'm just giving you the base technique how you have to do. Rest all is your creativity. Now adding hairs to girl. This you have to do everything very slowly and gently. Here I have fast forwarded the video a little bit. See how part by part we are covering the full figure. So like that only you also have to do. If you go step by step, it will become really easy task. But if you take it as a whole, you will think we cannot do it like that. It will come in your mind. So don't think like that. Just go step by step, bit by bit, and I bet you will be able to do it. So don't bring the thought that you can't do it. Go step by step, bit by bit, and you will be able to do it. And it's an amazing art. Highly therapeutic. Now I am giving textures to hairs with the help of a knife. You can even use cutter, or if you have clay modeling tools, you can use them. See how nicely the hair texture has come. texture to the ears of boy. Girls' ear are hidden behind the hairs. Now I am showing you how to make heart. First we have to make like this dewdrop shape. Then give it a cut from middle. Apply talcum powder and give it a finishing look. I have made eyes and nose of our figures with the help of a refill and cap of a pen. Now, like how I showed, same way, make all the hearts. If you don't want to put hearts, it's okay, you can skip them. You can put stars also. 3D stars are also 3D stars will also look very nice. So it's all your imagination, guys. Whatever you wish, you add. It will be after all your creation. Don't stop yourself from creating things you like. I'm showing you how to create a small rose. First I have folded a small part, taken another one and added it on top of it. Now again third petal. Like this we need to press the clay and add on top of it. Now I am placing it in the hand of boy as if he is proposing the girl with the red rose. It's romantic, guys, isn't it? So if you want, you can make a bouquet there and give it to a girl, or you can switch it with a ring also, a diamond ring. हर लड़की का सपना to get a diamond ring. So anything, whatever you wish, you can give it. Otherwise a red rose is also fine, at least for me. Okay, now I have applied brown color on top of hairs and given a little bit texture with the help of black, and applying a base coat of white on the skin color so that on top of it can be highlighted easily. Now I am applying a light pink color on girl's frock. Color choice is totally dependent on you, so go with the colors you like. I love pink, so I am adding it. Same the color of her ballets. I am applying teal blue on boy's t-shirt. That's again one of my favorite colors. You have to be really little patient to do this, because if you will not be patient, the color may flow here and there and may spoil your painting. So basically it is to enjoy. ये आपको भटकने नहीं देगा इधर उधर. You have to focus here. Now I am applying metallic red on top of the hearts to give it a little bit shiny effect, and the red rose. Okay, I forgot the trousers, so I am giving a purple color to the trouser. Now the skin color on face. Guys, are you enjoying this? I am really enjoying Whenever I do art, I forget about the world and just go in the flow state. It's like a total meditation for me. Hope you guys are enjoying. If you're watching it, then don't forget to grab the supplies and make one for yourself. You must give it a try because it will help you not only to feel relaxed but also proud that you created something with your hands. You have to be little careful while doing the skin color. Be a little slow. Okay, now I am placing red dot on cheeks to give it little bit blushy effect. अब यार प्रपोज कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा तो ब्लश करेंगे ना. Okay, so tap it to merge and blend. So we are like done. Now the eyes. My eyes have gone a little bit messy, so I have corrected it off camera. You can check it out once full picture is ready. And the lips with the red color. The nose is looking cute now. I'm really liking it. That we have pressed one round dot for giving that nose. Okay, now making a smiling face by giving this cuts. Ta-da! Our painting is ready. Isn't it cute, guys? Just like a magic. Proposing on moon must be a dream come true, right? With this hearts flowing in the universe, a perfect moment. If you want to create more of such beautiful artworks in future, you just need to do 3 simple steps: like, share and subscribe, and it's all free of cost. If you recreate this artwork, don't forget to tag us on our Instagram stories. We will be happy to share your artwork. Until then, art you all. Bye bye. Thank you.